No fita pa dear. Me prince my dad you know sebi abo Ghana to say the junto abo akoko. Hey, so those of you busy coming out to defend Pastor Obi Nyomono, what are you guys trying to tell us? Those of you busy making videos to beg Honorable Kennedy Ejapon to forget about this issue between he and Obi Nyomono. What are you guys trying to tell us? For real, like seriously, I'm really ashamed of this. I'm disappointed in some of you. I'm so disappointed in some of you. So you guys want Honorable Kennedy Ejapon to allow this case to go just like that, so that this fake Pastor Obini will continue to dupe people, to deceive people, all in the name of I'm a man of God, all in the name of yes, I have a church, all in the name of some fake miracles. Like for real, I am so shocked that some of you are doing this. He's been operating this church for about 15 years. And now 10 years. No, not even Kwampo say 10 years, sir. Do you have an idea? The other 10 years are sorry not the year. And go for we deceive you other we're breaking homes with fake miracles and directions. Money laundering in our bemu. Money laundering in our bemu. What in your dad joa ajin go the fin same a whole pastor. Call yourself a man of God. You're writing on God's name to deceive people, to fraud, to cheat your fellow human being, and you think it's cool, and you call yourself a man of God? For real? Gonna fall into people don't have an idea that they are sorry now you won't. Call for what that you people don't have any idea. My busy. Beg you say you fast someone. You cover just put some cover some so yes sir. Oh, Ghana, mama, I'm sorry you. Mama, I'm sorry. No, I don't get it. I don't get it. Why? Obini, is he about the law? Pastor Obini, is he about the law? I'm asking. Or is it because he's rich? You think he's rich or he has money? Oh, I have a and can you only be pa na samaton and only go for 5 CDs? Suppose to say, assume you say you're a poor person, and our cost just 5 Ghana cedis. You come to the jail for 10 years, 15 years for just 5 CDs. And so meanwhile, the real thieves are in the system are operating. The real thieves are in the system operating every day in and out. But you and they chasing rather innocent people. The real thieves are in the system. But we don't want to talk about it. But we are busy chasing innocent people every day. That long time that this man has been operating this church now. Do you know the things he has done with the church? Scamming people, sleeping with girlfriends here, and they're breaking homes and all. No, you people want to cover this up for real? I am shocked and I'm disappointed at some of you. I am shocked and disappointed that you guys are doing this. It's not about the law. He needs to face the law. He needs to, because the things now I know, meaning this is the time God says enough is enough. And karma, and he's facing karma. Allow him to face karma in beautiful style. Say more, try some more back cover someone. Allow this man to face karma in a beautiful style, because he's been doing stuff underground. Evil deeds now, why you secretly in the secret places, you know. This is the time when Yankopon said, no, enough is enough. You cannot write on my name and be duping and doing dubious activities and be deceiving people. No, enough is enough. God says enough is enough. Enough is enough. So allow Honorable Kennedy Ejapon to do his work. Now, more cover sono. Now, the type of person say no, or not does what system anymore. There are a lot of fake pastors in the system who are deceiving people every blessed on the name of fake miracles, directions here and there. prophecy ni won kika ho a low prophecies bi omo contrast from the calculate yi bi fruma na but na public I na mo deceiving confo e di babo e wi akete na osofo babo e wi akete na osofo chim ni miansa je ni sikedi. So why don't you allow this man to continue to do this so that it will stand as an example to others who are also busy doing this, riding on God's name to deceive people. I will say, oh, such examples, the mom no slow on what they are doing. Today, why do you guys want to stop him? Please allow Honorable Kennedy Agyapong to do his job. I think this is the time, and I go for you soon. They are fetching some for. This is the time God is using him to fetch all those fake pastors in the system. This is the right time. So please, no one should stop this man. Let him do his work. Let him do his work. Because that particular video now, about that little girl, you brought a little child about auditorium, video forcing the girl to say that hey, she's not a virgin, that she slept with a lot of men and all that. And you think it's cool? You think it's cool? That video is going to be there forever. Even if that girl did what even if she's not a virgin or she slept with men, do you think it is right for you to do what you did? And I know it is not true. It is fake. You put the pressure on top of do you have do you know the implications that that video will be on the internet forever? Onyina ware ne mba ne kunu family obi aba be hwesa that video eye edugwase ketanya ahun it say eya ahun tew that particular video na ya ahun wo hwekwa na arabo, and that video is going to be on the internet forever. And you expect Honorable to stop? You want Honorable to stop to cover this up? For real? For real? And you come and you need so allow him to face karma in a grand style. Ghanaians, allow him to face karma in a grand style, because he's been doing this for ages. And this is the time and I go and say enough is enough. This is the time when you go say enough is enough. Obia so no be internet so no or whole president no money biago, a whole minister na pastor dia sorry no aba no can your pen no just like that on money ni hey Ghana for someone who calls himself a pastor with him succeeding in frauding someone a big bar of gold. And I must say, Yenjana stay Muka. Obi made Chimajo Jimmy gold definition all in the name of her gold is fake. So he will be going to pray so that the gold, the fake gold will turn into real gold. And it's been like 4 or 5 years now. No spirit has entered into the gold. Was succeeding in frauding the girl. Wako melty gold in on the bush and enjoy the money. He has sent his wife to Holland or wherever. No transfer at the money day in and day out. And you expect say honorable just some manenka. A pastor saw your money laundry. Earlier money laundry sending Skakoma hero of Spain or Holland. Musienja Samanenka, a ordinary Ghanaian bia, Nanka Yinka, Ego Jane and Yasa, a conforming Momono, or women and more gallivanting free of charge. And innocent people, sorry, said they're sending number of the quantity and you cool, but the real thieves are in town. Pastor Wobeni, what happened to address gold? The gold that you do, what's coming at General? What happened to the gold? If you are telling us that the gold is fake, why didn't you return the gold that very moment? What capture gold and they say, oh, won't pay you gold, I am for real. Oh, really? Then why don't you pick all the stones behind your house and pray over it so that those stones will turn into gold? Yes. Let everybody, your church members, bring stones so that you turn them into gold. If that's what you're trying to tell us. Give Ajua back. Give her back her gold and stop all this drama. Because you and I know someone melts scan on a wedding. And when they are able to succeed, scam, almost scamming or fraud, then they will come on social media and be flaunting their cars and properties to give pressure. Now, Mr. Yen Jao, no, yes, sir. Yen Jao, no, continue deceiving and send and giving false prophecies and fire ministers and paying for the every day with fake prophecies near daddy. And yes, sir, Ghanaians. Is that what you guys are trying to tell me? I'm so shocked. I'm so disappointed. Listen, for a nation to move forward, for Ghana to move forward, we need brave people, honest people, courageous people, just like Honorable Kennedy Ejapon. We need brave people, just like Honorable Kennedy Ejapon, or Mino. Someone who can speak without shivering, someone who is bold to speak the truth. Sa enkofobi sa na yeyom Ghana. Na yeyom man okware ba na mo try some bekata so no, we don't need such people. We need honest people. So please, whosoever announce or tries to beg kaba thing we so no, munja honorable no yin ejuma. E many na do say all fake pastors or say dey over out. And many do Nakopon said, God says enough is enough. I've had enough of fake pastors using my name to deceive people, using my name to sleep with people. This is the time. People wise up, Ghanaians wise up. Men go bread for seeking for muscle for being lead. Men go bread and go for Usika, what to a nursing 15 muscle for being no big time. And find any way. No promise so say who another body there was no. No, I busy air building heaven on earth. I'm an Mummy in Daho. Mummy in Daho. Musa be a Biaweni. No, so I run us on real men of God no more country. We know them. Have you watched someone involving himself with this? Arabophobia saying, Debbie, you even get them. And to Mr. Honorable Kennedy Ejapon, Mr. So we just send me money car. I bet how many things yes. Because me, I never liked this man. I never liked him the very first time I saw him because I knew he was fake. Writing on God's name, deceiving people to get their money. I knew he was fake. I never liked him. So please allow Honorable to do his job. Nobody should stop him. Nobody should stop him. Honorable, go ahead and do. You're from the question baby a dad. Mama and fan of Creno and two baby that nobody should stop you. Honorable, go ahead and do your job. Thank you very much. Together, we fight Corona together, we can together. Yes, we can together, we fight Corona together, we can together. Yes, we can together. We fight Corona together. Oh, together we can together. You go to Geneva. Yes, some fresh on your meal. Now, what if I piano? Oh, yeah, mama, no fanchayano. I feel sanitize it. It's on the seminar. Yemva moya mobile. In free area you together.